Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 940. This form is crucial for reporting your annual Federal Unemployment Tax Act, or FUTA, tax liability. Remember, FUTA tax is solely an employer's responsibility. Employees do not pay it. You generally need to file Form 940 if you paid $1,500 or more in wages during any calendar quarter, or if you had one or more employees for at least 20 different weeks. Calculating your FUTA tax involves a few key steps. The standard FUTA tax rate is 6.0% on the first $7,000 of wages paid to each employee. However, most employers can claim a credit of up to 5.4% if they pay their state unemployment taxes on time. This credit significantly reduces your effective FUTA tax rate to just 0.6%, making compliance more manageable. Staying on top of deadlines is essential for Form 940. The annual filing deadline is typically January 31st of the following year. However, if you've made all your FUTA tax deposits on time, you get an extension, pushing the filing deadline to February 10th. Remember, while the form is annual, you might need to make quarterly FUTA tax deposits if your cumulative liability exceeds $500. When it's time to submit, you have options. You can conveniently e-file Form 940 using IRS-approved software, which is often faster and more secure. Alternatively, you can mail a paper form to the IRS. For all FUTA tax deposits, the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, or EFTPS, is the required method. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Always keep accurate records of all wages paid and taxes deposited.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.